I'm Greg from Cables.com. Today I wanted to talk about Ethernet RJ45 patch cables. These cables are used to connect many different networking devices, from cable modems to desktop computers, switches, and routers. They're available in Cat5e and Cat6 variety. Standard lengths are in stock at all times, from 6 inches to 100 feet. They are available in custom lengths as well, in many different colors from our website, Cables.com. PVC and plenum varieties are available. Plenum is used inside of walls, while PVC is normally used outside of walls. You can find these cables and many others at Cables.com.